Today, we are gonna be doing some exercises for synthetic and long division. For the first question, we have x squared plus 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. Let's start with long division. So x squared plus 5x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. To answer this, we first have to divide the first term in the dividend by the first term in the divisor. In this case, x squared over x is x. So put the x up here and now start multiplying this x by the two terms in the divisor. So x times x is x squared. Cancel them out. X times 3 is 3x. Subtract 5 minus 3 is 2x. And bring down plus 1. So we continue the process again. 2x divided by x is 2. So we put 2. So 2 times x is 2x. Cancel. And 2 times 3 is 6. So now the answer here is -5. To write the remainder, we must put a subtract. We must do a minus sign if it's a negative remainder, and plus for a positive remainder. So now we put minus 5, and down here we put x plus 5. So that's the long division. Now let's do synthetic division. To do this, we have to find the opposite of 3 of the divisor. So what we're gonna do here is x plus 3 equals 0. So transpose and you get x minus 3. So now to continue, we make this little special section for our -3 and put the numerical coefficients of our dividend. So x squared, which is 1, 5, and 1. So now what we're gonna do here is bring down the 1, multiply -3 by 1, put the answer here, then answer by adding. So 5 plus -3 is 2. And now 2 times -3 is -6. 1 plus -6 is -5. So now what we do here is, this last part of our equation is our remainder. And these two are our terms, first two terms in the answer. So this one will be x. same as here. Then this one will be our constant. Then we bring this down. And we're done. This is our first question. Let's answer question number 2. So 2x cubed minus 11x squared plus 9x minus 20 is divided by x minus 5. So now let's start with long division. X cubed minus 11x squared plus 9x minus 20 divided by x minus 5. Now let's start again. So divide 2x cubed by x, which is 2x squared. So now we put 2x squared and multiply 2x squared by x, which is 2x cubed. These two cancel each other out, and now multiply 2x squared by negative 5, which is negative 10x squared. Since there are two subtraction minus symbols, cancel each other out, and now this becomes adding, positive. This 10 becomes positive. Now what is negative 11x squared plus 10x squared? It is negative x squared. Now bring down 9x. And now do the same thing again. Negative x squared divided by x, which is equals to negative x. And now put negative x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Cancel each other out. Negative x times negative 5 is positive 5x. So now what is 9x plus 5x? It is 4x. And now what is 4x? And bring down negative 20. Now 4x divided by x is 4. So we put here positive 4. And now multiply 4 by x, which is 4x. And multiply 4x by negative 5, which is negative 20. Since all of these two are the same, cancel each other out. The answer is 0. So there's no remainder. Now this is 2x squared minus x plus 4 is our answer. Now let's confirm it with synthetic division. So now we look for our x, which is transpose negative 5, positive 5. So now let's put our 5 in our special box. And now get our numerical coefficients, which is 2, negative 11, 9, and negative 20. Now we do the same. Bring down 2, multiply 2 by 5, which is 10. Now add, and you get negative 1. Now multiply again. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. 9 times negative 5 is 4. And 5 times 4 is 20. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Now our 0 is our remainder, which there isn't. And now we continue by turning 2 into 2x squared minus x plus 4, which is our answer for number 2. And now, for our final question, which is 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 3. I'm gonna make this somewhat bigger. There. Let's start with long division. So 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 3. So now 2x3 divided by x is 2x cubed. So then we put it here again. 2x cubed times x is 2x squared times 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. So cancel. 2x squared times 3 is a positive 6x squared. 4x minus 6x equals negative 2x squared. So now, what is negative 2x squared divided by x? Negative 2x. So what's negative? Oh wait. And bring down negative 3x. Sorry. So what is negative 2x times x? It's negative 2x squared. Negative 2x squared times positive 3, that is negative 6x. Cancel and cancel these. So now this 6x has now turned into a positive 6. So now what is 3x negative plus 6x? Okay. It is 3x. Now what is 3x divided by x? It is 3. So now I'll put 3 up here and bring down negative 6. So now 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 3 is 6. No, it's 9. Oh, I'm so sorry. 9. So I'll cancel. And negative 6x, negative 6 minus 9 is negative 15. So now we put minus 15 for x plus 3. Now let's confirm it with synthetic division. So the x here is negative 3. So now give our negative 3 a comfy spot and put our numerical coefficients of our dividend. 2, 4, negative 3, and negative 6. Now bring down 2. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2. negative 3 times negative 3 is 6. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 6 plus negative 9 is negative 15. And now 2x squared minus 2x plus 3 minus 15 or x plus 3, which is the same. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.